Dear colleagues, let us introduce ourselves to you. We are members of the project Excellence in Engineering Education through Teacher Training and New Pedagogic Approaches in Russia and Tajikistan, acronym EXTEND, from north of Magnitogorsk State Technical University, Zerkina Natalia and Savinova Yulia.
The project lifetime was for 3 years, from 2017 till 2020, but because of the pandemic it was prolonged till 2021. The project consortium includes 12 universities, 4 universities from Europe, they are mentors of the project, and 4 universities from Russia and 4 universities from Tajikistan.
As far as EXTEND project goal is concerned, it is aimed at modernizing approaches to teaching engineering disciplines in Russia and Tajikistan, increasing the quality of engineering education by means of elaboration of a teacher training sustainable system, according to the principles of Bologna process and European space of higher education. As for the target groups of the project is opened for university teachers and postgraduate students who are planning to be lecturers of higher educational institutions and other stakeholders.
The project started with surveying teaching practices in Russia and Tajikistan in order to reveal the weak points of work programs and elaborate the courses taking into account the best European practices. And the next goal was to establish a net of EXTEND centers of excellence in engineering education, capable of providing a base for research, training courses, and consulting support for teaching engineering disciplines in Russia and Tajikistan. In the course of the project, participants elaborated training programs for graduate students and university teachers in engineering disciplines and disciplines for engineers.
NMSTU EXTEND Center was officially opened in 2019. North of Magnitogorsk State Technical University was responsible for preparation the interinstitutional agreement on EXTEND Centers net cooperation. EXTEND Centers are separate structural divisions that accumulate the latest achievements of engineering pedagogy, experience in teaching engineering disciplines, and disciplines for engineering students. NMSTU EXTEND Center is a really well-equipped center for research, elaboration, and implementation of modern methods and approaches in the field of engineering and pedagogical innovations in accordance with the priority areas of world science. Application of modern pedagogical approaches in the elaboration and building of foreign language professional competence, ICT competence, etc. Also, this center is for improvement of the process of forming and building students and young scientists' skills and experience in the field of pedagogical innovations based on the best European experience. The center is also aimed at involvement of research and teaching staff of NMSTU and other stakeholders in professional elaboration of programs, professional retraining, programs for improving language competence, and participation in scientific and practical conferences, seminars, and discussion platforms. Elaboration of cooperation with domestic and foreign educational institutions and scientific organizations, conducting scientific and methodological research, organizing, conducting, and participating in conferences, meetings, symposiums, seminars, masterclasses, schools, and other scientific and educational events. Also, NMSTU EXTEND centers provide access to the network resources of the project EXTEND centers.
In the framework of EXTEND project implementation, its participants elaborated 8 innovative courses for university engineering teachers and postgraduates, project-based learning, e-learning and ICT tools, foreign languages for engineering, academic writing, research-based learning, active learning strategies, curriculum design and development, assessment, communication. NMSTU team was responsible for the 3rd course, foreign languages for engineering, academic writing, and successfully elaborated and has been piloting it online and offline for 2 years.
This slide shows the photo gallery of the participants of the course Foreign Languages for Engineering and Academic Writing. Also, you can see the opinion of one of the participants of the course, a PhD student of the Institute of Metallurgy and Chemical Processes. During the 72 hours of practical piloting, the weak points of the course were identified, students' comments were received, and necessary corrections were undertaken. As a result, the updated course was uploaded to the university's platform and now is being used online. On completion of the final test of the course, students received certificates of advanced training. New groups of postgraduate students and teachers are currently being enrolled.
Extend project members regularly conduct management, quality control and evaluation, publish papers and take part in seminars and different conferences, and we have a platform and active online platform population was also undertaken. This is the address of our project site. And Extend project not only comprehensively addresses the issues of supporting modernization, innovation, and accessibility of higher engineering education and improving its quality in accordance with the needs of the labor market and society, but also develops strategies and specific educational programs in disciplines, including foreign languages, for implementation in the educational process of universities.
As far as sustainability of Extend Center beyond the project lifetime is concerned, Extend Center exists as a university department according to the provision on establishing the center. This special decree guarantees that in case of merging with other departments, the center will not be abolished as it is the part of NMSTU. Teaching staff of NMSTU works in the center both on financial and voluntary terms, conducting various activities. It is obligatory for university teachers to take advanced training courses every year. Thus, we may state that every year such courses will be conducted at NMSTU Extend Center, and teachers will receive official certificates. The staff which conducts the activities is highly qualified. Also, Extend Center is a working ground for School of Pedagogical Design, which has already organized several professional-oriented events and advanced training course, Modern Trends in Pedagogy and IT. NMSTU Extend Center closely collaborates with EU partners. Thus, the cooperation agreement has already been signed with Riga Technical University, and we are planning to continue our work in this direction. The technical specialist of our project is the head of IT and Automatic Systems Department, an MBA, and he is responsible for equipment and its maintenance. Extend Center is integrated in the university strategy. All financial operations are conducted by university accounts departments, and the university supply the center with the access to online platform where the elaborated by NMSTU course was downloaded and successfully launched. International online conferences are an example of networking with other centers. Also, the academic mobility of teachers is a good example of collaboration between partner universities. Thus, a member of NMSTU Extend team has been teaching at TNU for a year already, Tajik National University. Extend Center equipment is now effectively used for conducting courses and various activities.